Me and Nuffy no see eye to eye. Cause he can't tame. He's a two-side cutlass pan and machete. Me never see Nuffy act like that in my life. Them after the game something, them drop something in them drink. Or them put something in them weed or something.
Yes.
Warlord has returned. Hire me. You better come hire me.
You know beside Maric and Natural Onyx, sending out a positive message to every nation. Let's come together and stop the segregation. Hey, world leaders, gang leaders, stop the crime, take the violence off the streets.
Welcome to Foota TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, no man, blessed love and greetings. Good morning, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Let's big up on yourself. Welcome to Foota TV, you know the man of best. Yes, man, I say give thanks to life, and I give thanks to another day. Life are the greatest gift. Single soon drop, you know. You see me? Yes, man, just get the artwork. Right now, love and alone, you know. Big up the whole Jamaica, the youths, them. The youths not die too young. Put down the gun. Yes, man, channel start. Yesterday, the police them clap a young youth start, 20-year-old. From the year start, you know, it's like, bro, gotta give the youth them, the police them the authority. To make the youth them meet them maker, and the youth them now learn start. Youths, please, put down the gun. You see me? So when we wake up and we see the sun, life is the greatest gift, man. You're not the man of peace, you know, we say to the violence off the streets. In this episode, Bounty Killa in America, how this Bounty can't get in visa? How say that? How she geezer? Yeah, man, no, man. Yeah, man. So I'm going to go on Bounty Killa link up with Khaled, part of Miami. Now, so keep my look take on Nuffy. Big up Nuffy, you know, Nuffy I'm a general. Zin, meet Nuffy in 2018. You know, big up YGP1 campaign. You know, run Nuffy dialogue now and then. You know what I mean? But yeah, people are saying Nuffy overdo it. Nuffy overdo it, man. I don't know why. I'm not going to hear a Foota Hype and say, still, big up Foota. Nuffy, how that coming to you, Nuffy? I've never seen that from Nuffy. Never seen that from you, Nuffy. Oh, Nuffy, what flew into you that at that moment? It was a taka moment. Viewers and subscribers, don't forget to like and share, subscribe and click the bell. I don't know, it's good to laugh, it's good to have fun, you know? But it's bad to bust the gun. You see me? We are forward.
I watch them on the Germany represent for Foota TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Foota Patriots out there.
Yes, man, big up yourself in a jam mail. That's it. Fight is real, the fight is real. But man firm on the battlefield. Now all of me say we not squeal. Yes, man, I fight it, you know. Fit yourself, survive. That's it, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, so first, let me give me tape on Nuffy. Nuffy up on the stage. I'm part of the world there. With the teacher. And the teacher doing thing on a show, you know? I get a lot of criticism about his performance. I don't know nothing about his performance. He might do him thing. Remember say him no. He may not be fully 100 as them say him sick. Me don't know about him sickness. I can't tell how sick he is, how bad he is, but I do him thing, the teacher, you know? Yeah. I want them opportunity for them on the show. Stage right now and perform. You see me, kind of that we want to do. We don't want to do the 9 to 5, but we have to work. Bills have to pay. Kids them want, you know? Have to take care of, you see it? So we have to bring in the sanctors and the share, you see it? And the pound. Yeah, man. I'm a sound. But anyway, yeah. Nothing up on the stage. It was, I was shocked, I was stunned, I was astonished. I said, well, Nuffy are going with. Why Nuffy interrupt the session with Kartel and I don't know if it was rehearsed. You see me? As me I said, I want to rehearse the way there. I'm coming here Foota and say the same thing too. See? Vinci as well. Vinci sing. No, that wasn't to me that was off.
No bullbook. Go for your army. Go for your. Go for your. Go for your army. Jump now, man. Got the spinner. Just a button. Got the spinner. Yeah, Killa. The 6 months. We never go with them Chinese. Yeah. Boy, now the big lady. Yeah.
You see me? But big up Nuffy see me. You hear Foota say?
Yeah. So why you me talk about Kartel now? Remember me never did Kartel, you know? I me never buy the live stream, you know? But all me want to know, I want them give Nuffy fi drink over Kartel. Why me for cover my white shirt? Me I see the comment them good. So me not for cover my white shirt. One thing more I know. What did they give Nuffy to drink? Remember, me and Nuffy no see eye to eye. Cause in can't tame. Me's a two-side cutlass pan and machete. Yeah? But me never see Nuffy act like that in my life. Them after the game something, them drop something in them drink. Or them put something in them weed or something. Me don't know what them give. Me don't know if them lace him spliff with cursing oil. Or me don't know if them give him gas for sniff. Or me don't know if him take Xanax or Percocet or... Me don't know. Honestly, me don't know. But, why? Or me don't know if them set him. Me don't want to say this, you know. Because people are going to say me corrupt, you know. But me have to say it. Me don't know if them set him to interrupt when Vinci sing. Cause there was no reason for Nuffy. Remember that I just see it, daddy? Remember me talk to you about just see it when you forward in here today, daddy? What you look for?
I'm take up one glass, that's it.
Oh, okay. So, we have to go get one of them scientists there from NASA. Or one of them space project people there. For investigate what happened with Nuffy. Cause Vinci sing the chorus and me see the man just push a Vinci and say, die. Don't die. Me don't know if a Chinese, Japanese, me don't know which language. Me don't know if a Gaza new language that I want. Me don't know. I don't know. Buzzlarific, big. I don't know. Honestly, I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words, you know. I don't. Me I try understand, and it look like them did rehearse it. It look like a Vinci alone never know say it rehearse. Cause me not see the world boss complain or nothing. A Vinci alone look surprised like him. I wonder what going. And what is? But teacher look alright with it. Chrome look alright with it. Everybody else look alright with it. So it look like it rehearsed or something. I don't know.
Yes, man, you hear a Foota say? Big up with the Foota. One thing, you know, you can't hate Foota, but you speak truth and stand up him rights, you know? Yeah, man. Yes, man. Now we see Bounty Killa in Miami. And the Bounty Killa bought him fire and say, can't believe it's a bad man. You see me? Yeah. Stand for something or fall for nothing, you know? Fall for something or stand for nothing, you see me? Yeah. So Bounty Killa in Miami, what? You know?
You see it. 15 years. Bounty Killa hasn't been in the States, in Miami, in 15 years.
Warlord has returned. Miami! You better come hire me.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yo!
Win with us.
We the best, we don't need the rest.
Oh, watch us win.
Yo, Bounty Killa say, Miami! When you better hire me, Bounty want work. You see me? Right now, I'm a work. You see it? So you don't know, I love, you know. Big up on yourself, I'm the man of peace, have a blessed day, and may God guide and protect you during the going out and you're coming in. You see me? Yes, man. Dear Lord, my Lord, show me my friends and families who are real to me, expose the ones who are fraud. Dear Lord, my Lord, oh. Watch over me every day, me step out and I forward in my yard. Pick up on yourself and have a blessed day. And don't forget to like. Hey, look at you like up the content, man. Me notice the views them a drop from where they, you know. Yeah, and subscribe, you know. Cause I know why so we keep it on the back of field, you know. I mean, I hide my face, you know. Sometimes I do, but yeah, but actually, I don't have time for it. Yeah, see me? Big up on yourself and look out for the Lionfoot podcast, the reasoning. Then, Roddy area, big up.